So listen, in the next couple of minutes, each of you will make actual good use of your $50 Saks Fifth credit, but you'll have to do something that might get you blacklisted. You won't be in physical danger, you won't physically endanger another person. If you feel uncomfortable with this, I get it. You can leave whenever you want. The decision is yours. Can I continue? Okay. How's everyone doing? It's Calbiang here, bringing you another video to help you make the right choices. If you didn't know already, there's actually another way to use your Saks Fifth credit than actually using it at the overpriced, expensive actual Saks Fifth, and actually stacks. Unlike what a bow-tie Elon worshipper have you believe. I mean, do we even know this guy's real last name? I have a conspiracy theory, his last name actually stands for Vanilla Ice Cream. Anthony Vanilla Ice Cream II. But seriously, check out Anthony Venture's video if you want to know the proper and legal way to use the Saks Fifth credit. He also goes over the history of Saks Fifth, which is fairly interesting. But back to what you actually came for. The not so right way to use the Saks Fifth credit, but makes it 10 times more valuable, with actual proof. So as you know, you get two $50 credits towards Saks Fifth. First one in the beginning of the year, and the second one starting in July to the end of the year, and can be used in-store and online. However, the method I will show you can only be done in-store. That method being purchasing a gift card. Actually fairly common. The cashier who checked me out knew which credit, well, charge card I was using, and even the amount I needed, $50. The reason this only works in store is because when buying a gift card in store, it will code as if you bought something from the Saks Fifth Avenue store, while online is usually handled by a third party and will code as something else, therefore not activating the Saks credit on your Platinum card. So all you have to do is bring your Platinum card to the Saks Fifth Avenue store. Just to be clear, not Saks off Fifth just yet, that won't count. Also, I would bring the physical Platinum card just in case. Most likely Apple Pay would work too, but sometimes using a middleman service like Apple Pay or Google Pay can code wrong, therefore doesn't properly activate the Saks credit. Next, find a cash register, and the gift cards will usually be somewhere around the register. After you've chosen the design you want your gift card to have, find a cashier. Saks Fifths usually don't have stagnant cashiers. Tell the cashier you want $50 loaded onto the gift card, or more if you want. Sometimes I add a little bit more, like $51 or $55, so if Amex goes, "We know you're buying gift cards," I can go, "Prove it." In my opinion, not actual proof. I just think it would be harder to prove whether or not you were buying gift cards or some item around $50. However, you'll still only get $50 max taken off, so take that as you will. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to load $50 to show you it does definitely work for exactly $50. So at this point, check out as you normally would, using your American Express Platinum card to purchase the $50 gift card. Mission accomplished. And in 4 days, the Saks credit reimbursed me $50. So basically a free Saks gift card. By using this method, you can actually stack your Saks credit, so you could get 2 Saks Fifth gift cards a year, totaling $100, and buy something nicer than $50. If you have multiple Platinum cards, you can stack all those credits and really buy something useful at Saks Fifth. But I would rather gain even more value for my Saks credit, because even though you can afford to buy something nicer at Saks Fifth, it's still most of the time not worth it. No, I would much rather take my gift card elsewhere to, believe it or not, Saks off Fifth, because the gift card can be used both at Saks Fifth Avenue and the outlet version, Saks off Fifth, which I believe, in my opinion, gets more value per dollar spent, especially if you go into the clearance bin at Saks off Fifth. I mean, just take a look at the stuff I found at Saks off Fifth that are less than $50. A yellow women's t-shirt for $44.99, this white women's t-shirt for $49.99, and then take an extra 40% off the price tags I just showed you, because they were located in the clearance section, making them $28.19 and $29.99 respectively. You could also pick up this wicked men's winter baseball cap for $49.99, not on clearance unfortunately. However, these are men's shorts for $19.99, men's jeans for $14.97, a marble hoodie for $19.99, and this long sleeve t-shirt for only $9.99. And here's something my wife found, a long sleeve t-shirt for $14.99 plus 40% off, making them only $8.99. But before we get all excited, let me show you can actually use the Saks Fifth Avenue gift card at Saks off Fifth. So just walk through the checkout line as normal and check out as normal. Try not to look too suspicious. I mean, that's the fact of life. My wife got 3 thick sweaters for the fall and winter and 2 long sleeve t-shirts, all in the clearance section. So as I mentioned before, giving her an extra 40% off during that time. And the total of all those items came out to a total of only $54.06. Not bad in my opinion for 3 sweaters and 2 shirts. But of course we can do better than that, because we have the Saks Fifth Avenue Avenue gift card, paid by the American Express Platinum Saks Fifth credit. I just handed the gift card to the cashier, they scanned it, and bum-ba-da-da, making my total $4.06. Not bad at all. But yeah, that was a better way to actually use the Saks Fifth credit on your Platinum card. If you enjoyed this video and haven't already, consider subscribing, because according to the YouTube analytics, only a very small portion of you that enjoy my videos are actually subscribed. It really helps me out. And thanks for reaching to this point of the video. Here's a clip of my cats Suki and Cindy cleaning each other, and I'll see you later.